Hi, Year 9s. In this video we are looking at equations where you've got numbers on both sides, and so we're going to look at it in a similar way to the ones that we've looked at so far. So my first step is going to be copying out this question. So we've got 8x plus 12 equals 20. Okay, now it's important to show you working, and so I use a different colour just to highlight what my working is, and I'm going to work on getting rid of this 12 first, and the reason for that is I want to get my x's all by themselves. So I'm going to start by doing the opposite of plussing 12, which is subtracting 12. So underneath I'm going to write minus 12, and because our equation must remain equal on both sides, I'm also going to subtract 12 on the other side as well. So my 12's cancel out, and all I'm left with on that side is 8x, and on the other side I'm going to have 8. So for my next step of working, I need to think about what's going on here. So 8x means 8 times x. So I've got to think of the opposite of timesing by 8. The opposite of timesing by 8 is dividing by 8. So I'm going to write divide by 8 on both sides. And because 8 divided by 8 is 1, all we're left with on that side is x, 1x. And we write 1x just as x. And on the other side we've got 8 divided by 8 as well, and so we have 1 for that answer there. So for this question, x equals 1. Now if we wanted to check if that's correct, we can put 1 into this equation instead of x. So let's check. 8 times 1 plus 12, well, that's going to be 8 plus 12, which is 20. And because that, oh, I made a bit of a mess of that. Because that is true, we know that our equation, or our answer to our equation, is correct. Okay, and that is the end of this video.